channel. Hope you're liking the content so far. For anybody who's new here, don't forget to subscribe to us and hit the bell icon. We post videos every week on placement interview experiences. And today's company is SE2. So, a little introduction about the company. It is a leader in the US life and annuities insurance technology and services industry. So they offer a rich learning environment with significant training in technical and insurance products, and of course, the opportunities to explore different career paths for advancements as well. So let's jump right on to the recruitment process.
So the profile offered by SE2 is Associate Software Engineer. The CTC that they are giving is 6.5 LPA. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, SSC and HSC scores should be greater than 65%. B and BTech, you should be having more than 7.5 CGPA. There should be no live backlog during your BTech engineering, and there should be no gap in education. That means after 12, there should be no gap, and in between also, there should be no year down. Now coming to the online test, the platform was the company's platform itself. The duration was of a time slot of 3 hours. That is, in a day, you will be given 3 hours of time slot. In that time slot, you have to give the test. And the test consisted of 3 sections. One was comprehensive, second was general aptitude, and third was technical. Technical in terms of the branches in which you are. Now coming to after that, you will be having your GD. That was of around 15 minutes. And when you clear the GD, you will be having an interview round, which consists of technical plus HR. So it's lasted for around 20 to 30 minutes. We will discuss the whole process in detail with our guest today. Hi everyone. Today we have with us Venkatesh, who have cracked SE2 as an associate software engineer. Before we move on, I kindly request you to give a quick round of it.
Hello guys. Hello everyone. Myself Venkatesh Jamdade. Currently pursuing my BTech in computer science branch.
Yeah. So the first round, so let's start with the first round. That was the aptitude. Could you kindly tell us on what platform was it held and what was the duration, the section-wise breakdown as well?
The test was actually consist of 3 sections. The first section was actually the English comprehension questions. Like there were passages and we have to solve the questions based on the passage. Then next section was actually the general aptitude, which was actually the basic mathematics we usually face in the aptitude. Then the next section was technical MCQs. I'm from computer department, so all the questions were from computer departments, like from SQL, DBMS, database, then data structure, and OOPS. And there were also a few code snippets which we have to predict the output from it. Okay, so after the online test, then the students were shortlisted for the GD round, and the next day was the GD round plus technical interview. 140 people were shortlisted for the GD round based on the online test, and they were divided in panels. Like each panel consists of 10 people, and the GD round was approximate around 15 minutes. They gave us 15 minutes, and based on and in 15 minutes they gave one topic to discuss among ourselves. So basically, in group discussion, my topic was they gave us one scenario, like nowadays we have the many automations and advancement going in the field of artificial intelligence. So due to which the many people are becoming jobless. So what is your point of view on this technology? Like, what are the pros and cons all are facing due to the advancement in the artificial intelligence? So this was our topic in group discussion.
Okay. Now coming to the interview rounds, that is face-to-face round. What was it like, and what was the duration of it?
Yeah, so they shortlisted based on the group discussion round, and I think they shortlisted around 60 people for the technical and HR interview. So the technical plus there was only one round after the JD, which was technical plus HR. So in technical interview, they basically started with my introduction. Then they started questioning on database, then OOPS data structure, and also on my projects. So they basically asked me what all technologies you used in the projects. Then what all languages you use for building those projects and all. Then they also told me to explain each and every project which I mentioned in my resume in very detail, so that they can get a clear idea that what all things we have done in our project. Also after that, they started to question me on the data structure. They gave me one case study based on data structure. They told me there are 12 balls, and in that 12 balls, one ball is of different weight, and other 11 balls are of same weight. So which algorithm you will use to know that that one ball is different from other. So these were the questions. The technical interview was basically case study based. They asked me two case studies in that. One is this one, and another one is database case study. Like they gave a scenario where they mentioned one employee table and all, and they told me to write the query on it. So this was about the technical interview, and also they asked me the questions on OOPS, like on polymorphism, inheritance, and all. After that, they gave me one coding question. They told me to do in any preferred language. They told me to solve that question in any preferred language. So I chose Java as my language. Then they gave one question which is based on a sliding window, basically. They gave numbers from 1 to 100, and they to and the win and they gave me also the window size, like 3. The window size was 3, and the string of 100 numbers was basically the random numbers that they may be repeating and non-repeating also. So my task was to identify the 3-digit numbers which are basically repeated in the string. So for that, they told to use the sliding window concept. This was the coding question they gave to me. Lastly, they asked me the questions on database, basic questions on database. This was all about my technical interview.
So no questions on HR then?
No. Like my interviews was totally on technical part, no HR questions. So the technical interview was basically fully dependent on the interviewer. There were many students who were asked only the HR questions. Many of us were asked only technical questions like me, and some people were asked with both mixed questions, like from technical part and from technical part also, and from the HR part also.
Okay, so wrapping up, are there any tips that you would like to give to our juniors or any person who is applying to this company?
Yeah, basically, so I think everyone should get clear with the basics. This is what all companies need from the freshers. And lastly, everyone should focus on the resume. That what all things they have mentioned in the resume, they should be going in the deep in the technologies.
Okay, then thank you so much, Venkatesh, for coming in and sharing your experience in so much detail. I hope that the viewers find it very helpful to crack the company placement as you did. And don't forget to like, share the video, guys, if you're still watching and you like the content. We'll be back with another segment next week. Thank you and take care.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.